Hey, hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Purple Carrot subscription and all official ways, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Cancel Purple Carrot via online. Visit the official website of Purple Carrot and sign into your account. Hit the letter icon at the top of the screen page and then navigate to the My Account page. Now move to the account settings and click on the subscription status to make the required changes. Now choose the Cancel My Account option and confirm the procedure. You will receive a notification and email that your subscription cancellation is confirmed. How to cancel Purple Carrot via app. Once logged in, navigate to the profile icon on the bottom right-hand side. Choose My Subscription and click Cancel Subscription at the bottom of the page. Complete the short survey and follow cancellation instructions to complete your cancellation. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your Purple Carrot subscription, and hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.